worship is with anticipation. We're anticipating what one day we will be seeing the one we worship face to face. Tingnan nyo. Say among the nation, the Lord reigns. Hallelujah. Indeed, the world is firmly established. It will not be moved. Look at the words. He will judge the people with equity. Sabi niya, let the heavens be glad and let earth rejoice. Let the sea roar and all it contains. Biruin mo, sabi niya, dahil ang Diyos magja-judge with equity, sabi niya, hindi lang tayo, pati yung buong nilikha ng Panginoon, mga ibon, mga aso, lahat ng hayop, sabi niya, lahat ng nilalang ng Panginoon, magpapasalamat at magre-rejoice talaga, magdidiwang. Sabi niya, pati dagat, matutuwa sila. Sabi niya, bakit? Sabi niya, let the field exalt and all that is in it. And then all the trees of the forest will sing for joy. Wow, I'm looking forward for this day. I would be seeing the trees singing. Diba? Totoo, puno, kumakanta. Saya-saya naman. Nai-imagine niyo ba yan? Sabi niya, hindi, metaphor lang yan. I don't think so. I think this is something literal. Kasi naalala niyo nung panahon ng Garden ng Eden, nakakausap nila yung mga hayop eh. Itong mga hayop na ito, marunong magsalita. And again, sabi ng Panginoon Diyos, if you will not praise me, the rocks will praise me. So they have their own way of telling God. Alam niyo, nakakatuwa po, no? Naalala ko lang. Sabi nga, may nagsabi to, kung di ako nagkakamali, si George Whitefield data yun eh. Sabi niya, alam mo bakit umaatungal yung mga aso, yung mga hindi mo kakilala aso pag lumalapit ka? Ganyan. Sabi, bakit? Sabi niya, ito yung mga naging kaaway ng amo ko. Sinong amo mo? Si God. Kaya, di ba? Pag may mga leon, ang sama ng tingin sa'yo kaagad. Bakit? Ito yung naging kaaway ng amo ko, ito yung mga rebelde. Of course, that's rhetoric, but it's one way of declaring the heavens declare the glory of our God. Di ba? Kaya one day, I would be excited to see the sea singing to the Lord, the trees declaring the greatness of God, the rocks are clapping and telling the Lord, you are majestic, you are glorious. Ano kaya yung nagtatalunan kaya yan? Di ba? Parang full of fantasy na parang, totoo ba to? Yeah, before the Lord, for He is coming, look at the words, itong painful, to judge the earth, He will judge the world in righteousness and the people in His faithfulness.